Hello everyone, this is your new IDALS instructor Mohan, and I'm here with one of my coolest routines on Sitara by Divine. So I have divided this piece into two sections for your simplicity. So yes, let's not waste any more time and let's get into it. Okay guys, so let's start with the routine. So just a quick introduction of what we'll be learning. So today we'll be learning on the song called Sitara. This is actually one of my favorite songs from the album of Divine's new album Gunegar. Very fun piece, a very different vibe. So yes, not a very advanced choreography, just an intermediate choreography. So let's just straight get into it. Okay, let's go. So we divide this choreography in two sections. So let's just first hop into the first section. So we start at 5, 6, 7, 8. We take our right leg first. So we take a step front. So we go 1 and okay, and together we also use our hands, so it goes 5, 6, 7, 8, go. We go 1 and. So the lyrics is Mujhe tu janta. So 5, 6, 7, 8, go. Mujhe tu janta. Okay, once more, very slowly. 5, 6, 7, 8, go. Mujhe tu janta. After this, we just switch our legs again, we go ek. After this, again we jump it back, number. After this, we throw this both our hands down and we take a jump. So 5, 6, 7, 8, go, we go jump. Okay, very slowly from the top. 5, 6, 7, 8, go. Mujhe tu janta. Ek number काम का. So just a detailing on the jump. Just make sure when you're throwing this, after this, try to first lift your right leg, then your left leg up. So it goes ta-ta. You see that? Ta-ta. Okay, so 5, 6, 7, 8, go. Throw. Got it? Very slowly once more. 5, 6, 7, 8, go. Mujhe tu janta. Ek number काम का. And now, as soon as we are landing, we take a hit. There's one beat, so we go in. So what I did here is just my right knee goes in and my shoulder as if I'm holding it from my right hand and together. Hit, hit. So basically, it's more of my right leg, but the accent of my left elbow is also there. Hit, hit. Okay? So jump and we go hit, base. After this, we go and step. We step out from our right leg. Both our hands are up and we take a drag towards our right side. So we go boom. You see that? You see the twist? 5, 6, 7, 8, go. We go boom. And my hand goes from my left to the right. It goes boom. Okay? So again, from the top, very slowly, we go 5, 6, 7, 8, go. Mujhe tu janta. Ek number काम का base and. You see, base and make sure your body is facing right. Then we twist it towards the left. Boom. So it creates that changing effect. Boom. Okay. Last time, again from the top, and we move forward. So 5, 6, 7, 8, go. मुझे तू जानता. एक नंबर काम का base and